Now, like you, I love my home, but I do love being on holiday and looking at the amazing interiors of other countries. And I'm lucky because I get to see new collections from all over the world. And I've just been inspired by a new collection from Spain. Now, Spanish culture isn't really known for an awful lot of its well-known fabrics. Like Indians have icats, and China and Asia have beautiful intricate silks. But they do have an inspiring collection of designers, and even my shirt is very like some of the new fabrics that are coming out, because the sun-kissed mountains or sun-bleached mountains, and even down to the coastal seas of blues and green, and even into the orange bloom forests, the foliage, the texture, the colour all inspires you to look at fabrics in a different way. And I'm always saying, bring the outside in, bring the colours of nature into your home, because it does add an absolutely beautiful vibrancy. So whether it's a mountain range in a graphic pattern, or the foliage leaves of a beautiful orange blossom tree, there are many, many inspirations that you can use to bring colour, texture, pattern and style into your home. Have a good look, and if nothing else, if you can't travel around the world, your mind can.